Bienvenidos de vuelta a mi canal. Se acerca Cinco de Mayo.
Welcome back to another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. On today's episode, we are going to be making some Margarita cupcakes. I'll be honest, I do not like tequila, but you know what I do like? I like cupcakes. So let's see what happens when we put them together. Today's bake should be fairly straightforward. We are just essentially going to be infusing tequila with cupcakes and lime and all the things a margarita has, except it's going to be in a nice little fluffy cupcake. A lot of things can go wrong when you are working with alcohol, and I have never cooked with alcohol before, so I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen. I feel like we need to take shots first. All right, what we're gonna need to get started is flour, baking powder, and some salt. All right, first we need to measure out 1.5 cups of flour. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, we're just gonna whisk it together. All right, now I'm just gonna set this aside. Next, we're gonna need 1 stick of unsalted butter, and then we are going to beat it on high for just a minute. All right, now that that is all creamed, we are now gonna add the sugar. All right, it just says to, whoops, make sure to scrape the sides down, make sure it's all incorporated. Got a feeling we may need a bigger bowl. All right, next we're gonna add 2 eggs. They need to be at room temperature, and we're just gonna add them 1 at a time. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Perfect. All right, next we are going to start adding the dry ingredients plus 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, I'm gonna transfer the rest of this into the bigger bowl. Whoops. Ooh, it's nice. It's like a super fluffy. I'm not gonna lie, I honestly don't think I've ever made homemade cupcakes before. All right, I think that's gonna do it. All right, next we are going to add some lime. I'm gonna juice 3, and then I'm gonna add some zest to it. That's some zest. Okay kids, I need to know down in the comments below, what is your favorite thing about Cinco de Mayo? What's like the food? Is it the drinks? This is gonna be part 1 of my Cinco de Mayo videos. I wanna do another one, so I need to know down in the comments below what you would like to see next. I always get nervous adding, whoops. I always get nervous adding so much liquid. All right, the lime juice has made it like super fluffy. So I think we're on track. All right, the batter is done. Now we're gonna put them in some cupcake liners. All right, now these go into the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna get started on the frosting. All right, so for the tequila frosting, what we are going to do, we're gonna take 1 stick of butter. I am halving the frosting recipe for this batch, so I am gonna be halving the frosting for this. Just remember the recipe is linked down below. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is just beat this butter on high. Next, we're going to slowly incorporate 2 cups of powdered sugar. Next, we need to we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We are going to add the juice of 1 lime. And it says to add a pinch of salt. And then for the fun part, it says to add 3 to 4 tablespoons, so we are just going to do 1 shot. Bottoms up, just kidding. Oh my God. Fun story, I used to work for a Mexican restaurant and we would hand make all the margaritas, and the smell of tequila at 8 a.m. in the morning when you're getting ready for work is just, it's just a lot. Oh, me and tequila. You and tequila too? Let me know your tequila stories down below. All right, should we taste this? I mean, you could definitely taste the tequila, but it's actually pretty good. It's not bad. They're a little bit flat. This one I definitely underfilled. Oh no! Are they supposed to be flat? But you know what? It's okay because we have tequila, and tequila makes everything better. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna brush tequila on the top. Oh my gosh. The smell is literally intoxicating. We're gonna wait for them to cool down, and then we will put a sugar rim on them, we'll frost them, and then I'll try them. Really excited. We are ready to frost these. I got the little sugar rim on them, and they actually look really, really cute. I have moved the frosting into a piping bag because, you know, I'm gonna try to make these look cute, but we all know that it's most likely not gonna happen. So, here we go. All right, so now I just have like these little candy limes that are just gonna look super cute, just right on top. I didn't have enough candy limes, so only a few are gonna get the limes. All right, I am really, really happy with these. These turned out so cute. They look like little teeny margaritas. So let's go ahead and give these a try. All right, now for the best part. We are going to try this margarita cupcake. Okay, here we go. Okay, this tastes just like a margarita. You get all of the flavors. There's the lime, there's a little bit of salt to it, and then of course you get that nice tequila punch in the background, but it's not super overpowering. This is an incredible flavor combo. I was really skeptic because I don't like tequila, and I really thought I wasn't gonna like this, but it's actually very, very delicious. The cupcake itself is like super fluffy, and it's really nice, very like overall really nice. I highly recommend this recipe if you wanted to make it for Cinco de Mayo. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching another episode on Kristie vs. Kitchen. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.